Welcome to Regal Classes. In this video, we are going to cover statistics, that is practice set number 6.1 for class 10 Maharashtra board students. Please subscribe to the video so that we can give you intimation of all the videos which we are going to upload. These are the important formulae. X bar is equal to sigma xi fi by n. Xi are the individual values of class mark, fi is the corresponding frequency, and n is the total number of observations. X bar is equal to A plus D bar, where X bar is the mean of the given distribution of data, and here we have assumed mean method is used here. D bar is the mean of deviation variable, and A is assumed mean or constant to calculate deviation. Xi minus A is equal to Di. Next is the step deviation method, in which you have X bar is equal to A plus G U bar, where X bar is the mean of given distribution data, U bar is the mean of step deviation variable, where U bar is a mean of Ui minus Xi upon G. So we start with practice set 6.1. The problem: the following table shows number of students and time they utilize daily for their studies. Find the mean time spent by students for their studies by direct method. So we have the class mark, and then frequency, multiply xi with fi, get the sum, and sum divided by the number of students, total number of students, is mean time. So here again there is a toll and number of vehicles. Calculate the class mark, number of vehicles. Here we have used assumed mean method, but we can use also the step deviation method. That will further simplify the calculation. Since here all the values are in hundreds, we have used only the assumed mean method. Next here, say milk center sold 50 customers. This is the following table: sold in liters and number of customers. We have used direct method because these numbers are not large, they are small, so we have continued to use direct method in this, and we have calculated the average. Here you have xi fi, take sum of xi fi, divide by total, and you get frequency distribution table for production of oranges, and says that find the mean production of by assumed mean method. So again we have class here, we have listed out all the class, then we have class mark, calculate the deviation, assumed mean. A is the assumed mean, capital A, sorry here it should be capital A, Fi, Di Fi, and you get the mean as 35.31 thousand. So multiplied by 1000, so 35,310. Again a frequency distribution, 120 workers in a company, and the question it is asked to calculate the mean by step deviation method. So step deviation, first you calculate the deviation. A is assumed as 1250, then divide that by G equal to 500, and you get the table -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 as Ui. Fi is given here, and multiply Ui with Fi, calculate the sum of Ui Fi, and then calculate U average, and you get the mean. it should be u bar, and here also it should be u bar. This is x bar. X bar is the mean. This problem similarly, take a is equal to 3500, g is equal to 500, and you can calculate the mean of weekly wages. UIFI is 130. So our next video lecture shall be on practice set 6.2. So subscribe to this video so that we can give you intimation of next video lecture.